Good afternoon. My name is Mike Smith with Strongarm Industries. This afternoon we're going to go through the startup and operation procedures for a articulated jib with electric lift translating tube. This unit is built to simulate and duplicate the unit that you currently have in-house that's running off of a hydraulic system. We have set the system up to where it has throttle control for the up and down speed so that it has finite control for the operator. The unit, whenever you receive it, is going to come in laying on a 12-foot skid. The translating tube will be lowered down to where the motor is close to the top of the arm, so you'll need to loosen the clamp up and raise the translating tube back up to where you want to have your high be at the top of the stroke and clamp it back in place. Right now we've got it to where it tops out close to 5 feet. The translating tube has 69 inches of vertical travel, so it can be raised up 8 or 9 inches higher than what we have it currently right now. Once you receive the unit and stand it up, anchor it to the floor, you're going to need to run electrical power to it. This unit is set to run off a 480 volt 3-phase, which you currently have at the present time. This has a VFD unit in it, so there's no transformer to transform the the 480 volt system. You're bringing your 480 volt directly into the VFD, and also going through and running that same voltage up to the inverter motor that has the brake system on it. The only other electrical component in this unit are the two relays, one for the brakes at the top and one for the brakes that are activated on the articulated jib through this push button. There's the filter regulator inside the main control panel that you'll need to increase the pressure up to 100 psi max and then lock it in place. Your air supply is set up to where you have a 1/4 inch MPT port here to hook your air line in. That will be stationary at all times because the mass is not moving. You're moving at the articulated section there on top. And then your electric line, we did not punch a hole in the cabinet because we didn't know whether you wanted to drop in from the top or come in from the floor. So we are just running the power in and hooking it to the terminal strip at the present time. This power cord will come off and you'll run your power through conduit and punched in either to the side of the box or the bottom to connect into the terminal strip at the bottom there. Okay, once you've got your 480 volt hookup, all the rest of the electrical is connected. Again, you want to unclamp from the translating tube and raise it up to the desired height, keeping in mind that you've got 69 inches of vertical travel with this unit. Now this unit operates similar to the unit that you currently have. There is a brake switch here that will disengage the brakes on an articulating arm. Whenever you push it, whenever you release it, the brakes are locked. So whenever you go to move it around, you want to move the articulating arm, you will have to utilize the brake to release the brake switch to release the brakes on this unit. One thing that we have added on this unit that you do not have on the current unit is an e-stop button. This e-stop button, if for any reason the controls for up and down were to lock, you can hit the e-stop and it will disengage them. Okay. Same type of tooling head. We'll turn this around in a minute, but you have the same type of adjustment, leveling adjustment here on the tube, so that the hanger brackets that you are currently using, this is the same size tube that you're currently using, so the hanger bracket should fit right onto this unit. Okay. Throttle control, as I said, the throttle control, you can inch the unit. You can inch the unit up slowly, or as we increase, this is only a 1/4 turn in either direction. on the potentiometer that is inside here that's doing the controlling. As I said, you want to inch it up, then you inch up slowly. The more you turn it, the faster it will go. Same thing coming down. Now if you hit the E-stop, down or then disengage. What that's doing is breaking the signal circuit that's going back to the machine. Brake switch is so that you can move the arm around. You can pull the E-stop out then. I said the brakes on this unit are pneumatic brakes running off of a 480 volt solenoid drive. Once you release the brake switch, the arms are locked in place at the first and second articulated sections there. This machine has a 9-foot reach and, as I said, 69 inches of vertical travel. This concludes the operation procedures for the articulated jib for B&G.